Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Et voici Ananas qui dit bonjour. Est-ce que ça va bien, Ananas? Oui, ça va bien, oui. Alors, bienvenue. We are going to learn how to write sentences today and make mini books. Alors, les amis, nous allons apprendre comment composer des phrases et faire des petits livres. So, we are using the vocabulary from lesson 5.2. Nous allons utiliser le vocabulaire de la leçon 5.2. Alors, voici notre livre 5.2, son O. Alors, on va tourner la page. Turn the page. So, our sentence starter is voici. And voici means here is. So, if you're showing something to somebody and you're saying, here is, you're saying voici. So, we're going to make a sentence using voici in the beginning, and then we are picking flashcards from our U sound words. So this one is des lunettes, some glasses, des lunettes. So you're going to join voici with des lunettes to make your sentence. So let's try it out. Voici des lunettes. Can you try that out? Voici des lunettes. Wow! Is that scary, Anana? No, not scary doing sentences. On continue, les amis. So for the time, in French, you always start the time. If somebody asks you the time, is il est. So it is 1 o'clock. Il est 1 heure. Il est 1 heure. Can you say that after me? Il est 1 heure. And then we'll put those words together so they blend nicely. Il est 1 heure. Bravo, good job. Voilà une clôture. So you notice we changed voici to voilà, and voilà means when you're pointing to something that's a little bit distant to you, and so you're pointing out the fence over here, la clôture, so you're going to use voilà. Can you repeat after me? Voilà une clôture. One more time. Voilà une clôture. Bravo. On continue, mes amis. Voilà une lune. So you're pointing to something way in the distance in the sky. You're going to use voilà une lune. Bravo. And here are some clouds up in the sky. Voilà des nuages. Can you repeat that? Voilà des nuages. Bravo. You're doing a great job. And we've come to the end of the book. When you've come to the end, you can write the end in French, which is la fin. La fin. And Anna, did you have a fun time? Oui, I had such a fun time too. Les amis, thank you so much for joining us. Merci beaucoup. We'll see you next time. À la prochaine.